CIS is an interdisciplinary effort at EPFL, involving all 5 faculties, namely Architecture, Civil and Environmental Engineering, Computer and Communication Sciences, Basic Sciences, Engineering and Life Sciences. Our unified goal? Pushing the boundaries of AI, machine learning and robotics. Our diverse team, consisting of faculty members, researchers and students, shares a passion for the advancement of intelligent systems, systems that sense, learn and adapt. We are EPFL's hub for AI, boasting 5 faculties, 85 labs and a community of over 650 researchers. Last year alone, we hosted 32 events with over 950 attendees, underscoring our commitment to engagement and knowledge sharing. Plus, our international research connections are formidable. In 2020, we launched the CIS collaboration grants and proudly contributed to initiatives like EPFL AI for Science and DigiPredict. Our research covers a spectrum from AI for medicine and molecular design to intelligent robotics to edge AI and from digital twins to advanced robotic construction techniques using multi-agent reinforcement learning. We routinely organize seminars and conferences, fostering connections between EPFL experts and our wider network. Such platforms can be your gateway to our top-notch researchers. Whether you're from academia, industry or the public sector, we welcome partnerships that will propel AI and robotics to greater heights. The Center for Intelligent Systems at EPFL isn't merely a research hub, it's a cornerstone of innovation. For those in greater Geneva, Bern area and beyond, whether you're a budding startup, an established company or a visionary individual, let's collaborate and forge a strategy to harness AI for a smarter and better tomorrow.